Ka Rangdajied United Football Club mentaka sengi nengkong kan riu terik naiwing haka jingi kendo bat kinong thok kubor kelapa namna pajba bahkan leit shim bynta haka lempung genjat bol jong ka third division I League kamanlong hagowa jong usnem arhajar arpulai bar arpusau bar penlong
here
dak
we
All
have
India
both our home and
Federation
away
Football
jerseys.
ya kanela penbenad u president usamla Eugene Ningdo haka ju kopor ka Rangdajied kelap pelaj iki jersey football naik leng ukuj jong ka klub letu pakirang elekai menta usnem ki daibet ki local player jong ka rilum khasi bat jantia
and our management in us achieving this goal. A year back, when we took charge of the club, I think our vision was to obviously go back into the national scene, probably in 5 years' time. But I think we felt, in the past 1 year, things took a drastic turn. I think I felt the way we ran the club, the way our coaching staff took care of our players, I think it is a testament of our achievements. So in the past year, we were runners-up in the Shillong Premier League. We were third in the Reliance Under-21 League. But most importantly, we were champions of the Meghalaya State League, which I think was the pinnacle of our success the past year, sorry. And like we said, Ibor and myself have been very passionate about football in Meghalaya, and we've always shared our vision on what we want for our kids here. So in the past 1 year, we've worked towards that, and obviously the success in the MSL gave us an opportunity to represent the state in the third division by virtue being the champions of Meghalaya. So here we are today with regards to our team participating in the inaugural third division I League run by the All India Football Federation. And if we qualify from the third division, in this current season, 2023-24, we would qualify for the second division of the current season, 23-24. So we look forward to a great performance by our boys, and hopefully we can make it to the second division. And just a past history of what we have done in the past 1 year. So in last October, we started our first football school center at Maulai with close to 80 kids in our first admission batch, and we have close to about 200 kids now just at the Maulai Center. And we have another center at Mauplang, which we opened in the month of Jan 2023. There we have close to about 150 kids. And we have recently opened up all girls football school center at Paimount, which appreciation towards the school management, to the teachers for creating a pathway for the girls in their school and for allowing us to be a part of the journey. And in the near future, we are come to our football schools will eventually be representing our club, and hopefully with the pathway that we are going to be providing, with news coming up in the near future of the pathway for our football school kids, where we'll give them a platform so that they'll not only be playing football in Shillong, but an opportunity to play in the rest of the country and maybe abroad, and hopefully it'll create a pathway for them to make football their profession. And the most exciting thing about the Rangdajied Football Club in the coming months, we are looking forward to opening our first sports performance center at Pintor. The vision of having a sports facility, a performance facility in Shillong is very critical. In order for us to compete with mainland India, I think a performance center is critical. So the vision that we had, I think, came into fruition in the past 6-7 months. I think the general manager Andrew, Ipor, myself, and our previous technical director Hans Imre, and our advisor as well, we had a brainstorm session about how do we bring about change and how do we get our players up to the mark and be ready for competitive football once they go out of the state. So we felt the need for a performance center, and this will be the first performance center probably here in the Northeast, and we are hopeful that it will be a performance center not only for football but other sports as well. And in the near future, we're also looking at a football-centric center in Mongap, which will cater to not only our teams, but also hopefully we can get teams from outside the state to come and use our facility. So I think I don't have much to say here, apart from the main reason why we're here today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Tourism, Meghalaya. I would like to thank Mr. Paul Lingdo, our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, and our Director, Mr. Cyril Dingdo. I think I felt that they understood what we wanted and what we wanted to do with regards to sports in the state, and we would like to thank them for accepting our proposal with regards to Meghalaya Tourism being our main sponsor. As you can see in the backdrop here, Meghalaya Tourism is all over the backdrop, and Meghalaya Tourism are the main sponsors for Rangdajied United FC in the season 2023-2024. And as you can see, we've also in the past 3-4 months had talks with Puma, which is an international clothing brand which represents sports all over the world and innovation as well. So you can see that Puma has come on board on the same mindset that they also believe in the vision that we have for this club. So we are proud to announce that Puma is our official kit partner for the season 2023-24. And we would also like to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. Without fitness, without a proper training, I think it is, like I said, we wanted to have the performance center is for that reason. So we were proud to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. And lastly, I would like to announce that obviously football without the fans, football without coverage is nothing. So we would like to announce that T7 is our media partner, and I'm sure that people would want to know more about a team when they travel to Goa and when they play the matches. I think it's important of being updated. So I would like to thank T7 for coming on board and being our media partner. And this is it. And kembali akan vision namata ni club nilai pu ore Henry Sanslam ba ko Sanslam ka ideology joka jimba ke berkat ke jongi ba ngin sai rong biang sepoka national scene ba nama ba de football. The Henry angka jing presitom jong coaching staff ba ke management bagi players kantam tinggal yo ya ka jing job ha ka MSL. Wat kumba kalong apo ka an batamai jong ka All India Football Federation ki champion jong ka state ki automatically ki qualify siya ka third division jong ka I-League. So by virtue of that, mangi tengi kasyong hangi pa ni tre pensim ya kata ka bynta bynta lang apo ka third division. Te kumba ni snow pa ki kena ki atristam ki kena ki don kasap kapapit kapapiang tengi ru ngai syong lai perkat tengi ang ba kadai ka platform ka bahatam naman taki kena jongi lada ngingim ai ka platform ki lada ngingim play ka la klenti ki kumno kin po siya kata thong kumbaga nget scam ba kini baro kidang kata thong ba hakawe kasni kini la kai ki team ki ba top up bala bynta mapo kari India but kum do hi bakin mi kwan naga ri India hi kawai assistant coach Johnny ai berjawab dengan ai tak jawab
teman-teman di players set go kembali keli bapi ka tim hi benta sunam ka street mostly di local hi imdan way player bana ba ni highlight na man lagi district ki players kita ni na kena east west India kita ni players kami na west ka single speed on ni na riboy kita de la jan kawa man na kaleng ki district hi la dan ki players ni
Darwin
amna ko samda
Liga 2 division ka Lapia haki South League zone right number second yeah South League zone poko wega zone ki don kombasan team and team the kani ka first round ka second round ru kanobek at a neutral venue kampate ka home and away kuma kila mapo ka second division so final round ba ka league yes right apa ini makata te hoy tolong banlakai namata kari to obviously you have to be update bucket side tam po ka performance jong pi ka kam haba kabani ko kabade pi banlakai mana game kata dia basic criteria masih banlakai mana game ka nama coach jong kari India has knowledge that you play no if lakai sinano kam bakang sam ka performance dari semua perform bah tu tikana fil lakai mana game dah lakai mana ke lakai bah tapi lat kena pin po siya ka list jangka maybe the first list of players kiban po ya po ka camp jangka Indian team but hadin kata atrai ka siya ka performance jangki ha po ka camp bakit po siya ka Indian team ni bro away